Hi all, this is Reshma Sanjay, Lanchester Builders. Let us talk about precast concrete today. So as the name suggests, this is a type of concrete which is casted or prepared, casted and cured off-site, that is at an external environmental factory location, which is done with the use of some reusable molds. So what happens here is these concrete elements which are casted off-site then are brought to the site and are joined together to form the structural element. So this type of concrete is basically used for most of the concrete structures or elements such as beams, slab, even the walls and many more. So let us look into what are the advantages of carrying out precast concreting or using the precast concrete. As I said, these are casted in an factory environment or a controlled environment. So the factors such as dust, rain or any other climatic conditions do not affect its structural properties. The second advantage is, as I said, we are using reusable molds. It is basically used for the production of identical elements. For example, if we are constructing like affordable flats or apartments, that these elements can be used multiple times, or these molds can be used multiple times. So now let us look into what are the disadvantages of precast concrete. So as I said, different elements are casted off-site and are brought together on-site and are joined together. So it is not monolithic. So there are joints between the elements. So the entire structure has to be designed in such a way that the load or the forces or the stress coming on the structure will pass through these joints. So they have to be strong enough to withstand these loads. The second is like we have to use heavy equipments like cranes on the site for placing all these precast elements together. So the speed of construction basically depends on how fast these cranes can be used or how many cranes can be used at a site at a particular time. Then as I said, there are gaps or there are joints between the elements. Waterproofing has to be carried out in order to prevent water leakages between the elements. So if I say one of the examples or one of the major examples of using a precast element or precast construction, we all know about Sydney Opera House. So that is one of the practical examples or the best examples for precast construction. So I hope you get the entire idea about what is precast concrete here. So let us meet in the next video. Thank you and take care.